Cyberpunk is dead, and what rose from its gene-spliced ashes is Ribofunk. Imagine a world where biology is the operating system, and DNA is the code. This is one of the most outrageously creative sci-fi visions you've never read. Written by Paul Di Filippo, Ribofunk is a collection of short stories set in a world where genes are tools, cells are programmable, and the line between tech and tissue has been erased. Di Filippo coined the term Ribofunk by blending ribosomes, the protein builders of life, with funk, as in gritty, biological chaos. It's not cyberpunk. It's wetware gone wild. In this twisted future, people walk around with tails, biotech kiosks offer instant gene mods, and life itself is open source. The stories explode with freaky inventions and flesh-melding experiments. Paul Di Filippo is one of sci-fi's most imaginative minds. With Ribofunk, he takes the wild possibilities of bioengineering and turns them into something both hilarious and horrifying. You'll meet gene-hacked sex workers, squid jazz musicians, and rogue biohackers, all struggling with identity in a world where your body can be remixed like a playlist. Technology isn't in your pocket anymore, it's in your bloodstream. These labs aren't making robots, they're growing living tech. Feeling slow today? Why not swing by a corner vendor and upgrade your reflexes or grow a pair of gills? In Ribofunk's world, evolution is a consumer product. But here's the real question. If you could rewrite your genes, would you? Ribofunk doesn't just entertain. It dares you to rethink what it means to be human. So, ever heard of Ribofunk? Would you modify your DNA if you could? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you're into mind-bending sci-fi that most people have never even heard of, hit that subscribe button and join us for the next deep cut.